AP Physics, page 53, homework problem number 63. I have the diagram here. Not so good of a diagram, but this is supposed to be the hawk. Looks like an airplane, but there's my hawk. There's my mouse. Directly above, 50 meters above, is the hawk. The mouse is running at 2 meters per second. He's got to get to the hole to escape being caught. And the hawk is going to dive at that angle. And the question is what angle? So that the hawk can catch the mouse or intercept the mouse, because I guess the mouse escapes into the hole. But here we go. The mouse, this is for the mouse. V equals D over T. The speed and velocity are the same. He's going in a straight line, or she's going in a straight line at 2 meters per second for 5 seconds. So the hole is 10 meters away. Diagram is not to scale here. Slightly better scale diagram here. Still not perfect, because the 10 meters is much shorter than 50 meters. But that's the distance the mouse covers. The hawk is 50 meters straight above him to start the problem, and then the hawk has to travel this path to get to the mouse. So how far or how long is that path? What distance is that? Well, I'll just use Pythagorean theorem. That hypotenuse is 51 meters. So the hawk has to go 51 meters. So you're doing V equals D over T once again. So we're assuming a constant velocity in a straight line, constant speed. So 51 divided by 5, the hawk has to travel at 10.2 meters per second in order to try to catch the mouse. Actually, if they really wanted to catch the mouse, they'd have to travel a little bit faster than that at a slightly lower angle than this. This is the angle with respect to the vertical. This is using tangent then to figure out this angle right, that angle right there. That's the vertical. That's the angle with the vertical. So the angle with the horizontal would be, or the angle of elevation, or whatever you want to call it, the dive angle would have to be what, 79 degrees? Well, actually, a little bit greater than 79 degrees, so this angle is a little bit less than 11 degrees, so that this is a little bit higher than 10.2 meters per second. Then the hawk would catch the mouse, but I guess they're trying to be nice to the mouse here. Nobody gets hurt in this problem, so that's the speed that the hawk takes at that angle with the vertical.